to shine, baby. Turn it up, turn it way up. Come on, get ready. Get ready. For Kaliilo Live, your precious metal station. Stack silver, stack gold. Yeah. We talking that real weight, that drip you can hold. Not just numbers on a screen. I'm talking shine in your hand, people. Come on. Certified heat, certified hustle. They call me your award-winning DJ. Kaliilo Live, we're flying, we're stacking, we're shining. Don't touch that dial. Tell your mama, tell your crew, tell your neighbors too. Kaliilo Live, stack it up, come on. Kaliilo Live, stack it up, yeah. Silver in the left hand, gold in the right. Kaliilo Live, stack it up.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. And now, it's time!
What's going on? I was going to say good morning, but not really. This is afternoon Metals Radio. Afternoon, let's see, Friday, June 12th, 4:12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So maybe evening for some of y'all on the mid-East Coast. How is everyone doing? What's going on, chat? We got 9 people with us already live. Holy. So it's Friday. I slept in. And yeah, that's right. Serpents, top shelf afternoon. That's how we're doing it, buddy. So let's see where we at here. I'm gonna follow my normal morning script. But let's see, here we go. Where we at here? All right, there we go. Yeah, there we go. All right. Cool. Well, doesn't look like we're having any technical difficulties yet, but how's everybody's Friday? Today's my day off, so I decided to sleep in, have a late brunch with my wife, did some shopping, decided, you know what, I'm going to come back and go live. Hopefully I don't interrupt anyone else's Stacker Channel lives, but let's see, let me give a shout out first. Serpents, my man, said let's go. Bear, what's up, buddy? Good to see you. Mustard and Biscuits, Lee Bear, Todd Hayes. Yeah. We got that ASC guy. All right. We got people rolling on in. That's what's up. How's everyone doing? Blessed and highly favored, my friend. Serpent says Todd Hayes. Everybody working? What's everybody doing right now? Everybody's at work, at home, already finished the day. Precious metals closed a bit higher than we started the week out. We'll get into that here in a minute. Let's see. All right, cool. The sound is good. Thanks for that, Serpents. Appreciate that, buddy. Hidden numismatist. What's up, man? Good to see you. Thanks for stopping on by, bro. Appreciate it. You know what? I don't think you're blue. Let me see if I can get you blue without messing up my stage. Let's see. Give me just one hot minute. Let's try it out. All right, here we go. There we go. Hidden numismatist. Let's get you blue, my friend. Boom. Good to go. Oh, shiny silver. Let's get you blue as well. All right. Cool. There we go. All right. Y'all let me know if at any moment someone needs a blue, and we'll get them going. All right. Well, let's see what else we got here in the chat just to catch up before I get into the agenda. Serpents Kaliilo, yes sir. Let's go. AC Kaliilo, yes sir. Hidden, where are you? Hello. Nice. That's right. Top shelf afternoon. Let's go. Rizzo, what up, my man? Thanks for stopping on by today in the afternoon, Friday, June 12th. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Penny Scout, my man. How you doing, brother? Appreciate you, man. I'm about to do show and tell here in a minute for y'all. Something that I got by a very, very special subscriber and good old friend. Rizzo Penny says, shiny, shiny. What else we got? Everybody just showing their love. All right, all right. Let's see. Malsid in Biaskets. There we go. Oh, Jamie. All right, buddy. Hey, man. Get your backdrop ready. We'll have you up on stage. I just want to get to the agenda of the day first, and then I'll make some time for some community chats before it gets too late. I think we have some time before. I think I saw someone else is going live later. Maybe it's Dub C. I don't know. I just want to make sure that I'm not interrupting someone else's time. But yeah, probably have, if Serpents is available, Jamie or anybody, be able to have y'all on up to have fun. Chop it up, say what's up. There we go. CCC. All right, we got to make CCC blue. There we go. Let's do that. Boom. All right. Everybody gets blue when they're in the chat. Shiny, shiny. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Serpent says, that a Rooney Skywalker sticker in the back? Yes, it is. How did you know? Yeah, that's my boy. But as you can see, I was getting a little, excited with this knife, and I cut through the whole package. so now I'm careful. I only cut them from the edges now. Jamie G said, hey, with the wife, so probably can't chime in that often. All good, buddy. Do your thing. To my best to your wife. Hope you all having a wonderful weekend. And Jamie, let us know, man. Did you get those 3 gold buffaloes yet? Are you gonna go get them later? Need to hear. Need some closure on that. On the news of your 3 gold buffaloes. Yeah, all good, buddy. No worries. Yeah, do your thing. Most of them baskets. There we go. There we go. All right, y'all. Well, let's see. Normally, I start this way. Let's see. Let me close that out. All right. Share screen. If at any moment the sound starts to get out of whack, y'all let me know. All right. All right. So it's a little late, but just a little bit of faith before we get started, because I got to do it. Hey, what's up, West Texas? Thanks for stopping on by. I'm going to go through my normal agenda of the day, but it's just a little bit late. So verse of the day on verseoftheday.com from Psalms 19:1 through 2. The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of his hands. Day after day, they pour forth speech. Night after night, they display knowledge. Thoughts on today's verse? God's voice is always speaking through his creation. His witnesses give testimony to his glory, majesty, and creative grace. The universe shouts with joy that behind its intricate beauty, astounding powers, and marvelous wonders is the one who gave it life, purpose, order, specificity, and intention. The Apostle Paul said something similar when he wrote to the Corinthians. What may be known about God is plain to them because God has made it plain to them. For since the creation of the world, God's invisible qualities, his eternal power and divine nature, have been clearly seen, being understood from what has been made, so that people are without excuse. Romans 1:19-20. The Creator is magnificent and glorious. All his creation, with its vast expanses of the universe, dazzling array of stars and planets, intricate patterns of beauty, its incredible variety of species and terrain, and wonderful motion and forces proclaim his glory. Are we listening to the voice behind it all, or are we simply taking it for granted? All right, well, we'll leave it there. A little bit of faith to start the day. Getting on over to the precious metals price checks. Yeah, so let's see what's happening with the precious metals price checks. Let's see. So the market is closed, which is good. So it'll give us a little bit of consistency over the weekend. Bid gold price sitting at $4,218.30. So we closed over 4,200 bid price. Silver closed at $67.91. Yeah, it was getting interesting there at the start of the week. So seems like we're doing all right. Seeing some movement here in the chat. What we got here? Shiny says, hey, don't know how long you're going for, Kaliilo, but I'll only be around to the USA versus Paraguay World Cup match begins. All good, buddy. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. Jamie said, Harry's got them safe and sound in his big safe you see on YouTube. Awesome. So they're there. Just waiting for you to go pick them up. Very cool. Very, very cool. All right, y'all. We got Matt Winge in the house. Where'd he go? Howdy, my friend. You got 16 in the chat watching. If you haven't, please, on your way in, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it. And if you haven't voted in the Coin Collector Kumite, I would really appreciate your vote. Currently, let's see, looks like we are behind Mr. BCS, 49 to 51%. So I'm gonna drop this link. If y'all can, please head on over there and vote for yours truly. I'd really appreciate it. All right, I digress. I got distracted because the chat the chat keeps me distracted. How there, mustard and biscuits. I always knew it. All right, so let's see. We closed at 42.18 gold, silver 67.91, platinum 17.16. Let's see, palladium 12.68, rhodium 76.25, GSR I think was at what, 62? Yep, 62.12. Gold to silver ratio. So yeah, that's Teresa, there she is. Thanks for stopping by, Teresa. I needed you. See, Teresa, this is what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna drop this link. Teresa, you're in charge of hyping up this link right here. You're my special mod. You can help hype up the Coin Collector Kumite link. We got to get some more votes because I don't like losing, even if it's just a friendly competition. I don't believe in taking L's around here. I was born to be a winner. Let's see. Jamie says to do a humble stacker live stream for the trip. Not sure live stream in Harry's shop though. Oh, okay. That'd be dope. Yeah, you and Humble go live. That'd be cool. Let's see. West Texas prayers for the Olympics of the mass shooting in Midland, Texas today. Oh no, I didn't hear about that, my friend. I'm really, really sorry to hear that. That's very, very unfortunate in this world we live in. That's so terrible. I'm so sorry to hear that. My prayers with them, man. That's tough. Penny Scout. Teresa drops links to some all different kinds of lives. LOL. Go vote for Kaliilo. There we go. See, Teresa, I knew it. You're already earning your pay. That's awesome. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I didn't hear about that either. Oh Lord, I don't watch the news very often. It's only precious metals related online. That's right, Serpents. In fact, actually, I got a gift from a subscriber that I'm going to share here in a minute that has to do with that. So, Mustard Biscuits, who was that who ran up your subs the other night? I think that was Muscle Shell. Yeah, Serpents. Yeah, Muscle Shell. He was hooking Serpents up. All right, y'all. I'm losing my train of thought. So, all right, back to the agenda. Gold, silver, platinum. Left off GSR 62.12 to 1. Let's see where we at here. How did we end on the top asset by market cap? Gold still in the number one spot, 29 trillion with a T. Then Nvidia, 49, almost 5 trillion in second place. Third place, Alphabet, Google, 4.3 trillion. Apple, 4.2 trillion. And Silva, just under 4 trillion at 3.8, still in the fifth spot. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. So precious metals are still taking W's all day. Did I see also Warhammer? What's up, Warhammer? Thanks for stopping on by, my friend. Teresa, you know what to do. Make sure Warhammer, anybody who hasn't in the chat, has voted. Head on over and vote for Kaliilo. I'd greatly appreciate it. All right, so moving on over to the S&P. Oh, it looks like S&P closed in the green. Up at 0.50% on the day, 7,431. Let's click on over to my favorite ticker symbol, VTSAX, 177, still in the green. Pretty nice. Still a little bit down from its top here at 182, but not bad at all. So those of you who are into the VTSAX and chill, you know who you are. All right. So moving on over to the NASDAQ, 25,888. Okay. Looks like the markets are up today. The Dow still over 50 at 51,207. So those of you who are putting stuff into the market, looks like the market's doing pretty decent today. Volatility index, look at that. Look at that crazy movement there. Sitting at 19.38. Interesting. Look at that. Let's look at the Dixie. Is the dollar up or down? The dollar appears to be up at 99.806. Interesting. Dutch Murphy, what's up? Look at that. Look who decided to grace us with his presence. Thanks. Good to see you, my friend. Teresa, you know what to do. You got this. Teresa, I hired the right one. That's what I'm talking about. U.S. oil is sitting at 84. Okay, so oil appears to be down 2.49% on the day, on the close over the weekend. So very interesting. All right, all right. Well, what else we got? Look at the fear and index. Fear and greed index is saying fear. It's fear, so it's favoring the stock market, evidently. So the fear and greed index measures stock market sentiment, showing if fear or greed influences investor actions. It merges indicators like price momentum, market volatility, and aiding investor decisions, allegedly. So, regardless of what this is, I am always buying silver and gold. Amina, look who came back. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that.
Aww.
Amina, thanks for stopping by. It's been a minute since we synced you. You had like taking a nap or something, an extended nap, right?
How dare you?
Good to see you, Amina. Amina, I'm recruiting you as well. You and Teresa are in charge of pushing this link that I'm about to drop right now. There you go. Please help a brother out. If you can, I would greatly appreciate it. Some support in the coin collector kumite, because a brother is down right now. For some reason, I'm down in the votes. I don't know what happened. All right, back to the agenda. It looks like fear is the fear is where it's at in terms of the fear and greed index. Not something that I follow like it's gospel, but it's just interesting to see. So, anywho, the 10-year securities is at 4.45%. For those of you interested in that, moving on over to the Fed Watch tool. Still the same, hasn't changed. It looks like rates are probably going to stay the same, 3.5, 3.75% on the June 17th Fed meeting. All right, well, let's get on over to the precious metals news. So let's see. The precious metals news headlines. I want to get to this agenda because I want to do the show and tell. That's what I really want to do. All right, so let's see. 2 hours ago, let's click on this one. I am on Kitco. Let's see. By Niels Christensen. All right, Mr. Christensen, what do you got for us? So the headline is gold's inflation problem could become its next bullish trigger. Okay, I like that so far. It's been another frustrating week for gold investors, with prices now falling into bear market territory, but beneath the surface, the macro backdrop may be shifting in a way that could eventually turn a near-term headwind into a longer-term tailwind. Let's see. Traditionally, rising inflation should support gold as investors look to protect their purchasing power. Instead, inflation has weighed on prices as markets adjust to a more stubborn interest rate outlook, one that keeps the Federal Reserve in a holding pattern and its monetary policy tighter for longer. Let's see where we at. Anything else of interest here? If inflation continues to rise faster than the interest rates, real yields will move lower. That erodes the appeal of treasuries and typically provides a stronger foundation for gold. Okay, well, don't telling us what we already know. Us stackers already know these fundamentals, which is why we stack. Well, at least most of us. At least that's why I stack. Shoot. It's a hedge for me. It's insurance for me. It's wealth preservation for me. Gold tends to perform best when the policy trade-off becomes unavoidable. Okay. None of this guarantees an immediate rebound. Momentum is clearly weak, and the market's failure to reclaim levels above 4,000 suggests investors are waiting, blah, blah, blah. Well, it closed at 4,200, dude, so I don't know what you're thinking about here. So, all right, well, let's look at another one. Let's see. Let's check this one out. Let's see what this Mr. Ernest Hoffman has to say. Wall Street retreats to the sidelines ahead of the Fed. Main Street breaks bearish after gold tests 4,000 ounces. All right. Let's see. Middle East fighting and rising Fed rate hike expectations push prices to the 4,000 support level, and before the yellow metal reclaimed 4,200 on a late week bounce. Spot gold kicked off the week trading at 43.27. Blah blah blah. U.S. Iran conflict and risk of further disruption in the Strait of Hormuz, but the rally stalled after Iran signaled an end to its military operations against Israel, cooling some of the immediate geopolitical fear premium, and gold ultimately set its weekly high at 43.62 on Tuesday before sellers took control. The reversal accelerated Wednesday after the US CPI rose 4.2% year over year in May, its fastest pace since 2023. All right, blah, blah, blah. Gold broke sharply lower through 4,200 and set its weekly low at 4,023 on Wednesday, weakest level since late 2025. All right. Well, after failing to reclaim 42.50, spot gold closed the week at 42.10 per ounce for another week in the red. I mean, if you still zoom out a year, 2 years is still in the green to me. So, let's see. Blah blah blah. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else worth reading here? Blah 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 blah. Anything worth reading? Nope. No. Could lose ground. Nope. That looks all right. Wednesday traders. Boom, boom, boom. Anything? Nope. Come on, give me something. Give me something interesting worth reading. This is what happens when you do this stuff for a living. You're really good at reading stuff, like really, really fast. Here we go. Gold prices have fallen ultimately to a percent from an intraday high 46.27 of May. Whatever. Blah blah blah. Whatever. Okay. Our analysis suggests the gold could drop 400 from current levels to 38 over the next 2 weeks. It could easily rise to around 46.50. They warned. Okay. Well, it doesn't really tell me anything. All right. At the time of writing, spot gold last traded 42.18. Had a loss on the week. All right. All right. Well, Ernest Hoffman, that's fine. Nothing too earth-shattering there. Let's see. Anything else before I move on? Because I just want to give it a chance to see if there's anything else worth reading here. Cruise lines rise in U.S. Iran talks. Nothing. All right. Well, let's just move on over to investing.com. Yeah, I know. I saw SpaceX being in the news as kind of the thing. My man, hidden numismatist. Kaliilo, seriously, brother, you have an excellent DJ sound-like voice. I appreciate that, my man. You know what? You just earned yourself, because I can be bought. And, flattery will get you everything over here. My man. All right, here, as soon as we wrap up this little thing, I'm gonna stop for a music break, because we got some new music, y'all. We got some new music. SpaceX closes at over $2 trillion in valuation, cementing Musk as first trillionaire with a T. All right, let's click that. I think that deserves a little bit of attention. No paywall? Nice, no paywall. That's what I'm talking about. All right, Elon Musk, SpaceX, ticker symbol SPCX. Nice. Well, if you're in VTSAX, that's the total stock market. So you get you some of this. So I'm in the total stock market index fund myself. I like Vanguard VTSAX. All right, not financial advice, y'all. Is indicated to open 30% higher on its Friday's debut in what will be a blockbuster opening for the world's biggest IPO. Yeah, I saw it earlier. I saw a video of it, Musk doing what Musk does, being awkward but funny. Okay, so according to early data, expected to open up at 175. That will give the company a valuation of nearly 2.29 trillion. Wow, look at that. Before an IPO begins trading, reserves indicate price range updated. Okay, that's going to for later Friday. Very, very cool. Well, congratulations, Elon Musk. You're even richer. But he is out there doing stuff. So at least he's actually a working trillionaire now with a T. He's not just a face to look at and a face, to the business. He actually does stuff because he's a smart dude. So anywho, all right. Well, we'll just leave it there. I am gonna remove that from the stage. We're gonna play a little bit of new music. And then I'm going to go to the chat so I can catch up. And then we're going to do some live show and tell, some things that I got in the mail. And all right, well, here we go. Let's get that going. All right. Well, hope y'all enjoy this I was going to say morning metals radio, but afternoon metals radio. Let's see. I already played this earlier in the week, but I hope you all enjoy it. 3, 2, 1.
Sun's coming up over the back roads. Coffee black. Bills stacked high. But we still push. Welcome to Kaliilo Live Morning Metals Radio. Woke up with the weight of the whole damn world. Steel-toe boots and a cold south swirl. Mud on the tires, sweat on my brow. Life keep testing, but I ain't backing down. Got that old Delta cry in my slide guitar. Pain in my chest, but I'm reaching for the stars. Every scar got a story, every loss got a cause. But the strongest souls know what it means to be lost.
Ooh, keep on riding through the storm. Hold on, brother. Keep your spirit warm. Kaliilo in the morning, truth on the radio. We rise together down these dusty roads.
Yeah, talk silver and gold while we sharpen our minds. Learn from the struggle, not the dollar signs. Every caller got wisdom, every soul got pain. But we build each other up through the sunshine and rain. From the hard work grind to the late night fight, trying to keep faith when the future ain't bright. BB King spirit in the bend of these strings, dirty South gospel in the songs we sing. Yeah. Some people quit, some people fold, but down here we turn hardship into soul.
Keep on walking through the fire. Every setback only lifts you higher.
Kaliilo in the morning, voices on the air. Yeah, we learn, we grow, 'cause somebody always cares. Slide guitar fades, static from the radio. Good morning, stackers. Another day, another chance to overcome.
All right, all right, all right. What y'all think?
¿Te enteraste? Mía se mudó a una nueva frecuencia, 94.3 FM, una señal más grande para escuchar tus hits de hoy. Sintoniza la 94.
All right, all right, all right. Well, thanks for being here with me, y'all. But if you haven't,
If
please.
you would, please hit that like button and help expand this wealthy community of ours. When you hit that like, you're saying you want more content like this. More of this content, subscribe for more, and you will get more. It's as simple as that. Don't leave it up.
Don't leave it up to chance, says Thousandaire. All right, y'all. Well, there's the music. I think I'm gonna do one more song. One more song, y'all. What y'all think? More music? Yay, nay? Well, I'm gonna do it anyway. Here we go, because I want to keep going through the chats so I can catch up. And this is a radio show, so I hope you all enjoy. 3, 2, 1.
Ay, ay, ay.
Suena la guitarra desde el mineral. Desde el mineral.
Bajo la piedra, la terminación, manos de polvo y puro corazón. En la veta oscura canta el talador, suda la mañana, gana el trabajador.
Y sube, sube la voz del lugar con libertades que saben chocar.
Plata, libertad, corazón de mi ciudad. Trabajamos sin parar, México nunca caerá. Plata, libertad, mi familia va a luchar. Silver in our hands, fire in our soul. Por el camino seco va mi camión con pan y promesas para el comedor. Mi viejo me dijo, no bajes la frente, la honra se gana temprano y de frente.
Y mira, mira el sol al pasar, tequila en la tarde nos vuelve a cantar.
Plata, libertad, corazón de mi ciudad. Trabajamos sin parar, México nunca caerá. Plata, libertad, mi familia va a luchar. Silver in our hands, fire in our soul.
Mesa de madera, risas y calor. La abuela bendice nuestro sudor.
Bajo las montañas queda el resplandor de los que dejaron nombre y honor. Plata, libertad, corazón de mi ciudad. Trabajamos sin parar, México nunca caerá. Plata, libertad, mi familia va a luchar. Silver in our hands, fire in our soul. ¡Viva la plata! ¡Viva la plata!
Let's go. Yeah, thanks, Serpents. It is called Plata Libertad. Yeah, it's actually my wife's favorite song. But all right, well, hope y'all enjoyed the newest hits for June 2026 in Kaliilo Live Afternoon Metals Radio. Hidden Numismatist says, I'm not confused. Nope, not one bit. Yeah, it is Spanish or Spanglish, but I just decided to do something a little bit different. It was inspired that by that old Antonio Banderas song or movie, the uh, El Mariachi. Well, the original was El Mariachi by Robert Rodriguez, and then Desperado came out with Tonio Banderas and Sama Hayek, and that's when he's doing the mariachi song in the bar in the intro of the movie. So that song specifically was inspired by that movie. Love that movie when I was a kid. All right, Shiny Shanty Silva says, that's why Shazam couldn't find it. It's good. Yeah, I have a playlist on my YouTube for all my songs, and all my songs are original songs that I created and came up with. Of course, use of AI, help with AI, but I created, put in the work. A few of them made some videos. As y'all know, doing this content thing takes time. Takes time. Teresa, thank you. Yes, absolutely. Let's go.
Libertad. Sí, sí, sí. Ta, ta, ta. Libertad.
Yeah. Yes, thank you so much, Teresa. Yes, if you haven't, please, actually, you know what? Let me just bring it on up here. I'm not sure how we're doing or not, but let's see. I hope it doesn't mess up my sound. If at any point my sound messes up, somebody just go crazy in the chat and let me know. So yeah, it doesn't appear that we're doing too well, y'all. We're not doing well. We're still, what is this? 49 to 51. Blue collar is winning. Well, let me give it a refresh. Let me give it a refresh. Oh, we're back to 50-50. W chat, W Teresa, W everyone who's in the chat and voted. I appreciate it. Back to 50-50. Let's go. Let me see if I can remove.
If you would, please hit that like button.
Wanted to make sure and shout out Amina again. Amina, congratulations. See, this is Amina right here. Where to go? This is Amina right now. Amina out there feeling good. Got her checkity check. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, Amina over there having a good old time, feeling good. Got that check. Congratulations. All right, let's see. Am I caught up on the? Two. Is the sound bad? Where we at? What happened? I saw two. Does it sound good? Not good? Y'all let me know, because I take this stuff seriously, because I hate bad production value. All right. Sound is back? Oh, it's back? All right, cool. Awesome. I hate the bad production value, y'all. 25 at the chat. Wow. Thanks for watching, everyone. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, W chat. So real quick show and tell. As you can see, I got this item here. This, I believe, and I hope I don't butcher what it's called, but it is a sling for my pew pew, my home defense. And it's like, Mexican flag, colors. This was made by a subscriber who would like to remain anonymous. But thank you, subscriber and friend. I genuinely appreciate this. They didn't have to do this. They made this by hand, put a lot of time and effort and energy. And yeah, this will live on my 500 tactical Mossberg 12 gauge. So that is my home defense weapon with 00 buckshot. So yeah, this is something actually I did not have. I genuinely did not have a strap for my shotgun. So yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. I genuinely appreciate that. It will allow me to go hands-free if I'm ever in a firefight. So very good, very good. I like it. Thank you, my friend. Really appreciate that. Let's do a quick little other show and tell. I just got this in the mail. Look at this guy here. Making a mess. Let me get that out the way. What has anyone picked up during the dip? I bought this on the dip. This is a America the Beautiful 5 ounce, and this one is the Grand Canyon one. Y'all can see that okay? Yep. This is the Grand Canyon 5 ounce BU in capsule, America the Beautiful. So I got this off of Pmsforsale. So yeah, anyone out there buying the dip, bought the dip, planning to buy the dip, or buy or stay on their buy schedule, whatever y'all got going on. But yeah, this is the latest mail call. So just thought I'd share that. And then, of course, as y'all see, I just got me some copper pieces. Not that I am a copper bull at all. And then I had gotten these earlier in the week. These actually came in on Monday's mail call. These are pretty cool. Got some Japanese shoes. I got a little bit of electrum there, the gold. Got the shoes, and then I forget. Shoes are the smaller and the bigger the booze, right? I hope I said that right. Hope I didn't butcher it. But yeah, so I got these. Well, not all of them. I got about 5 or 6 of these in the mail on Monday, and I already just added it to the ongoing collection of Japanese pieces because I think they're pretty neat. Did I drop one? So anyways, all right, how's it sound? Everybody good? Let me go check in on the chat, make sure y'all are doing well. Mustard and Biesca says, let's go, Penmina. Amina's feeling good, I'm sure. What's up, my boy Rural? What's going on, man? Good to see you, my friend. Been a minute. Hope you are doing well, my friend. Blessed and highly favored as always. Mustard and Biscuits, Mina's about to have some little Boy Scout running around. You're back. All right, voice is back. Was the sound off? Oh, of course. I think I had it muted. I try to mute it when the music is going, so there's no back and forth. All right, y'all. Let's see. All right, TFT, what's going on? Thanks for stopping by. Everybody is blue. Is TFT blue or not blue? Let's see. Let me check over here. Where we at here? Come on. Looking through the tabs. TFT is not blue. I thought so. Let's make you blue. Everybody gets a blue when you're here in Kaliilo Live Afternoon Metals Radio. What else we got? A guitar strap. I know, I thought that at first. I was like, well, if I still played guitar, it's been a minute. I sold all my musical instruments. I really dig that sling. It's pretty dope, right? Yeah. Well done. Like handmade, super dope. Super dope. I really appreciate that. If anybody is interested in one, shoot me an email and then I'll connect you with the maker if the maker happens to want to do more. So a subscriber wants to remain anonymous, but I appreciate the time and effort. Super cool. Let's see. Nice. It's a quick adjust. Yep, it is. I'm excited. I actually was about to go do it, but I wanted to get to the live real quick. So later on, I will be playing around with my Mossberg and see how I can fashion it together. Let's see. Or however many pellets. Yeah, 00 buckshot, baby, for house Home protection, home defense. Sling is for his blunderbuss. Yeah. Nice, nice. It's shiny, shiny silver. Let's go. Love it. Emerald says I'm going after Dos Pesos pretty hard under this dip. My man, that's how we do it. I bought, then it dipped. Me too, man. I bought when it then it dipped, and then I bought during the dip, and I'll continue to buy even once it goes up. Who cares? I'm about to melt a 5-ounce maple. Nice. Most of them baskets. What are you making, buddy? Oh, speaking about what are you making? FG, I don't know if anyone's had a chance to look at FG's video, but he made some shark tubes and he made me a Maui shark hook. I've been wanting one for a minute, and it's an almost 4-ounce piece. I cannot wait to get it. He did such a killer job. So he's making pieces for myself, for Silver Serpents and Bear. I don't know if Bear is still in the chat, but yeah, so cool. Japanese booze are cool. Yeah, that's right, Emerald. Very, very nice. Rural says, Penny, got a scouting mission for you. It's in Amina land. Need a full sit rep. My man, my man. I love it that there's just so many military in the chat because, you know, we can all defend each other if the time ever came. Lee Chavarie, my friend. Uh-oh, Bear, you're not blue? What did I do? Let's make you blue, brother. All right, you are blue. And then is Lee Chavarie? I just saw, where'd it go? Where did it go? Where did it go? Oh yeah, Lee Chavarie is blue. Awesome. All right, Lee Chavarie. Let's see. That's what Average Jane said. Let's see. Says that alien coin looks like the kid is peeing on them. They're space cadets. Yeah, it did look like that, didn't it? Yeah, it's pretty cool though. I mean, the back is pretty dope too. You know, that's pretty rad. Yeah, I like that. And even like this one, this Wild West, like the piece, like the back, that's kind of like the, you know, the, what's it called? For the maps, whatever. Compass, I don't know. And then, of course, the reverse proof. That's pretty dope. Let's see. Mustard and Biscuit says, we're going to need full infiltration behind enemy lines. Serpent says, got a 26 earlier in the year, paid 89 for it. Nice, nice, nice. That sling is fire. Yeah, it is. Super dope. Super, super dope. I love it. I mean, and then, if any of you are into martial arts, I mean, you can also use this as a weapon for certain forms, certain techniques. Not that it's ever needed, but I thought the same. That's actually what I thought. I was like, if I ever needed to use it, but that's back in my younger days. I'm too old to get into scraps. Matt Wingate says 78 for the cook for coins. Never Chris, great guy, great auctions. Very, very cool. Bear, that hook is very nice. Yeah, the one that FG made. Yeah, I cannot wait to get it. Cannot wait to get it and display it. It's super cool. And then the silver that I got for it, it was silver crystals that I got on Pmsforsale for about $63 an ounce from a really awesome sale. I think he had over 200 ounces and they all sold. Every single ounce sold. Such a cool deal. Mustard and Biscuits, I'm not making anything. I'm just melting the maple as a show of American dominance over Canada. That's awesome. That's awesome.
How dare you?
That's very funny. Very, very funny. Here you go, buddy. Let's see. Dutch Murphy, Bear Serpents Mustard. What's going on, Dutch? Good to see you, my friend. Thanks for stopping on by. TFT, what's your favorite silver piece in the collection? Well, I can't get it because it's far away. I would love to show you, but it is my Kaliilo Silver Libertad coin. Full kilo, or reverse proof Silver Libertad. That is my favorite piece. I mean, I have a lot of great pieces, but that Kaliilo, man, that thing is just, it hits different. It's a reverse proof BU in capsule. It's rare because I think they only made about 1,000 of them, if I remember correctly, for that specific year. And so that thing is cherry. I got such a crazy good deal on it. And so, yeah, it's actually the last Kaliilo that I have. I had a bunch of Kaliilos. I've sold them, traded them for gold. As y'all know, got rid of a lot of my surface silver. I got rid of it, traded it for gold. And so that's the last of my Kaliilos. So thanks for asking, man. Great question. Murphy. Yep. Teresa, thank you. Teresa, appreciate you. Yes. Appreciate that. Yeah, please vote. Vote for Kaliilo if you haven't.
Got him!
Yes, please vote for Kaliilo if you haven't. I'd appreciate it.
Bombokat!
All right. How's everybody doing? How's the chat doing? I did want to do a couple last things because I wanted to look at deals since it's the weekend. Rural says going to reach out to DC Stacks to set up a dating challenge on his Stacker Discord just for the two of you. That's awesome. That is awesome. DC. That's funny. TFT, very cool. Kaliilo, thanks, my friend. Appreciate you for stopping by. Penny Scout, my man, always serpents on it now. Wish I could get my hands on some Libertad for a decent price. Dutch Murphy, I don't know if did we chat before? Are you here? Oh no, I think you're the Netherlands, right? Like I think I mentioned before on Pmsforsale, there are some sellers, pocket dealers who do ship internationally. So you could probably hit them up. Make yourself a page, or not a page, but just sign up, and when you go in, you can do a want to buy and just let them know where you're at, and then see who's willing to send you some Libertades. Let's see where we at here. Serpent says you're in the Netherlands. Yeah, I was gonna pay at Mex at 85 each. Rural says, hey, you are both. What is happening? Do I need to put everyone on timeout? Y'all need some more music to cool things down. We've got 26 in the chat. Thanks for watching. If you haven't, please hit the like, hit the subscribe, and Teresa, get them. Please head over to the Coin Collector Kumite and vote for your boy Kaliilo. Let's see. So I'm gonna remove this, and I wanted to share. I'm gonna go back to my agenda. I was almost done, but I wanted to take a music break so that we could chat about other stuff. Losing my train of thought here. Where were we? So we left off on all this. We left off on the news, blah, blah, blah. All right. I wanted to see what the deals were looking like. Wrapping up the afternoon show. So American Silver Eagle, random mint builders, 6817. Our friend Dutch Murphy was looking for Libertades. So let's see if I can try it through here, but I'm going to go to Pmsforsale here in a hot minute. Mexican Silver Libertades. Let's see what this says, what this alleges. Half ounce, 1 ounce, 82.52 on compare 3 dealers. Okay, let's see what that is. AppMex. Oh, that's what you just said, Serpents. AppMex, 82.52. AppMex eBay, 84. And the hidden something coins, whatever, on eBay, 97, and then it just goes up from there. So it appears AppMex has a deal. Let's click it. Let's see what it says. Let's go through it together. 81.52 if you buy 500 of them, but if you just want 1 through 24 of them, 82.54, 82.52 check wire price. All right, cool. I mean, to be honest, 80s is not bad. Like for 2024, 80, that's actually pretty good. I think right now on Pmsforsale, they're actually not going for that low. So let's see. Maybe I can prove myself wrong. Libertad slabs. All right, let's take a look at what he's offering his Libertad slabs for. Yeah, see, 145 is the cheapest one there. Libertades in capsules. Look at that. Cheapest one here is 105. So, oh, look at that. Serpents, a Libertad, an 89. I know you wanted one. Let's take a look at that. See if it's BU, what it looks like. Oh, look at that. Comes in a little Mexican flag thing. 89 onza. Ooh, look at that. That's nice. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah, the back. Actually, that is the obverse. My bad. This is the reverse. This is the obverse. Obverse looks nice. So, there you go, Serpents. Boom. An 89, my friend. I know you've been looking. I've been looking. I've been trying to see if I can find one. So, 165 seems a little steep. Oh, yours too, Dutch, huh? So you and Serpents. There you go. 89. Shoot. Let me know if you need some help making this deal. I got your back, buddy. Alpha Frog, he's very savvy. He's gold. So when you see gold, that means, and he's a top 1% poster, so you can feel confident you're going to get your stuff, have no issues or problems. You too, Dutch. Maybe hit him up, see if he's willing to do international. And then let's see if y'all need the link to Pmsforsale. This is my favorite peer-to-peer place to buy. You can negotiate, pocket dealers, online dealers, coin shops. There's a lot of coin shops to sell in here. They just don't advertise as coin shops. So a lot of really great deals, y'all. And shout out to the Cord. If anybody's listening from the Cord, you know who you are, or anybody is watching this later, shout out to the Cord. Hashtag Pencilgate. Here we go. Hashtag Pencilgate. Boom. You know who you are. That's for the Cord members. Hope y'all are doing well, my friends. Appreciate y'all. Let's see. Let me give it one more quick refresh to see if there's any other deals, and we'll wrap up and do some community chatting, and then see if anybody wants to come up and just chop it up. All right. So let's see. Oh, I already looked at that one. Want to sale? Looking for 50 sale. There you go. There you go. PMP. Anything? Let's see. CCC. All right. Anything worth clicking on? Classy turnip. There we go. We got some Libertads. All right. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. Got some gold. Look at that. An AGE 96 in capsule for 450. All right, y'all. Fire sale on. Look at that for a 90s AGE 450 in a capsule. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna see that anywhere cheaper. It might already be gone. Let's see. I was looking for the Libertads. Here we go. Let's see. Got a 2-ounce proof. Whoa, look at that. A 24 2-ounce proof with some milk spots. That's actually a pretty decent price for a 2-ouncer. Let's take a look at what she looks like. Okay, got a few little milk spots. It's the built-in security feature, milk spots. I don't mind milk spots on my Silva. Shoot, we know that it's authentic. Got some Canada. All right, let's see if any of this stuff sold. Oh, my boy, there's Rooney. There's who you were talking about, Serpents. Y'all see the sticker on my backdrop. That's Rooney. That's my boy. Shout out to the Discord. He's a funny guy. Let's see. Anyone else here from the Cord? Yeah, great deals. Look at that. Is this a giveaway entry? 1 ounce. That's awesome. Commercial ad. Also a homie. There we go. A lot of the Cord members in here. Awesome. Very cool. Wow. Very popular sale. So that's what happens with the Pmsforsale deals, especially if they're fire sale or spot deals or under spot deals. You're going to see them go fast. Oh, look at that. You even got an award. Very cool. All right. Very well. Kool-Aid Mike, my man, what's going on? Let's see who else we got. We got Tex. Tex is awesome. Done some good deals with Tex in the past. Feel free to buy from Tex. Awesome seller. Who else we got in here? Anyone else from the Cord? Unresolved Eagle sold all his pours. He does a lot of real cool pours. 420 Pepe, he's the man. I bought a lot of my Mexican silver from him. I believe they're also, well, I should have put their business all out there, but they have a shop, coin shop. But they have some awesome deals. So hit them up and you definitely will get your stuff. If you have any issues, you can always call them on the phone. They have business card. I know I have their business card here somewhere. But you can give them a call, talk to them, make a deal. They're pretty awesome. So like I said, y'all, this is the best place, hands down. I don't care what anybody says. Pure Metals, SD Bullion, 8 Atmax, whatever. Pmsforsale is the best because you got people, you got coin shops, you got online bullion dealers to sell through here. We got about, I think, something like, look at that, 13K weekly visitors. I think last time I checked, the membership was over 100K. So you can always find some really good deals. You can do want to buy posts. You can do want to trade posts. So you can just straight up trade. I've done trades. I've done buys. And then, of course, a bunch of sales myself when I've had to liquidate. And you don't have to worry about getting taken. Like if you go to a coin shop, the first thing they say, how far back of spot am I going to get? Yeah, here you can just say, you can set your own price. If you have a premium piece, you're going to get the premium. So you just got to figure out how to use it. It's really not that hard. If I can do it, and I have zero social media aside from this, if I can figure it out, y'all can figure it out. Really, really simple. All right, enough of that. I think I'm going to end it there unless something pops out at me. Let me give it one last refresh, and then I will end it there. Yep, nothing else. So get off the stage. All right, y'all, we are back. So let me close that out so I can stop being distracted by that. Let's see. Where are we at here? Oh, we got Panger. What's going on? I go to Amex to window shop. They got nice stuff. I hear that. Emerald says, I am out of the loop regarding online dealers. Monument used to be good. I prefer the YouTube PM auctions like SGT Stacking, Gold Sniping Farmer, Silver Oceans today. A few awesome, my man. I hear that. I got my first ever pour, as you can see there on my desk, from SGT in an auction, and I got a free peace dollar from my wife. Very cool. TFT says, question for Kaliilo, what got you into stacking? Man, he's coming with the heat today. You're making me use the critical side of my brain. Oh, that's hilarious. What got you into stacking? All right, let's see. I want to switch the music. Where we at here? It's this one. Man, that was lame. Let's see, where we at? Here we go. This one. There we go. A little more lively. All right. So TFT, what got me into stacking? Well, official stacking. I had picked up some pieces back in 2018 in a trip to Vegas. I went to that Pawn Stars shop, and I got a slabbed Morgan. But I wasn't a stacker yet. I just, I wanted a souvenir, and I liked silver. I was still like, I've always been into silver, but just never learned or knew what stacking was yet. That was my first piece, like a first official piece. And then after that same year, I got a special made, what's it called? The money clip. Really nice money clip made out of silver, 925 at the time. Still not a stacker yet. And then, 2020 came. As you know, the cough happened. We're stuck at home, and had a lot of time on my hands to do some reading and research. And I just started watching videos, that came up, and I was doing a lot of research on financial literacy. I actually, in fact, what got me started was I had started a financial literacy blog, trying to teach people about financial literacy, about investing, about how to stay away from debt. Just to try to share some of my journey, because I had, I was in a lot of debt at one point, and I cleaned it all out by 2020, had zero debt except for my mortgage. And so then at that point, I was just wanting to figure out other things that I could do with my investments, right? Because, set it and forget it on VTSAX, 401k, etc. Got the emergency fund out of the way. Nothing necessary that I needed to do on my house at the time. And I was just like, all right, well, I was looking for ways to keep things interesting. So I came across stacker channels. I started buying some stuff on eBay the wrong way. I was buying numismatics. I was buying a lot of those 8 reales, the Spanish 8 reales. And I was getting some pieces like cod pieces, and I was finding them for like $50, $100. I think the most I spent on one of those 8 reales was like a slapped one that I got for like $150. And I wasn't yet technically stacking, right? I was just kind of like in the collection phase because I wanted to do something different. And then later, little by little, I started buying on Monument Metals, Provident. I bought some on Atmex. I think the first piece I got on Atmex was the John Wick rounds. So yeah, I was buying pieces on different bullion dealers because I thought they were cool pieces. And again, still not a stacker yet. Technically, it wasn't a stacker yet. It was probably mid 2020 when then I did find the stacker channels. I started getting into the whole stacking space. And then I sold all my numismatics, or all those 8 reales. I sold them all, and I started buying weight. And that's when I got into stacking. So, yeah, I don't hope that answers your question. It's so hard to share in one little thing because it's never one thing that gets most people started. It's like a progression of things. So that's kind of what got me into my journey. And then, of course, started watching channels. I saw Blue Collar Stacker, Vegas, Thousandaire. They had me on a couple lives, encouraged me to start making content. And so here we are. And the biggest supporter that encouraged me, right? My biggest supporter that encouraged me to get into making content was my wife. My wife is like, hey, you can do it. You're really smart. You know about this stuff. I'm sure people will like what you put out. So Anyways, that's what happened. Penny Scout, I haven't had social media for like 8 years. Best decision I ever made. Well, one of them. Yes, same here, my friend. It's probably been since like, gosh, for me, I want to say, yeah, probably also 2018, 2017, when I actually had official social media, like posting and all the nonsense and likes and all that nonsense. Yeah, I don't have anything aside from, well, YouTube, right? And Reddit, but I use Reddit for PMs for sale. Yeah, YouTube for me is just for the content. That's it. Panger says, Teresa, I gotta catch up on the chats, y'all. Where we at? Ralph Ramsey, face to face cash is best values purchase. Hey, I respect your opinion, my friend. I will fight to the death for your opinion, for you to have a free opinion, because we all have them. You know what I mean? Yeah, but personally, I prefer peer-to-peer PMs for sale. I have made some really good gains and deals. All right, Ralph, you are blue. You are blue, my friend. And yeah, I don't mind it when people have a different opinion than I do, because I have had a chance, to learn. Right, I learned once. So TFT kind of circling a little bit back about how I got into PMs for sale on Reddit, as far as the best way to buy, sell, trade, is because I was trying to save money, and somebody online said somewhere, go to PMs for sale, and I'm like, well, what is that? And I'm like, ugh, Reddit, yuck. I heard that they just talk smack there. I heard that it's just like venomous, like whatever, blah blah blah. And so I decided to check it out, and I saw what people were doing, and I dipped my toe. I bought a couple pieces here and there, and before you knew it, wouldn't you know, I was buying at or under spot. I even attempted to go into the coin shop to see if I can find something better, and I just couldn't. Everything on PMs for sale was just really good. Now remember, back then silver was like 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, right? So it was a different time, but I just remember buying stuff for so cheap. Like I was buying, Mexican Libertades for like $35 an ounce, 34, which was technically considered a high premium if silver is at 23, 22, 23. So anyways, yeah, I just got the best deals, and I met cool people. And yeah, I'm telling you, and I was trading into gold. That's how I got myself into gold. I messed around and got into gold. That was one of the hardest things, because then I started trading a lot of my silver for it. So Teresa says, Emerald YouTube auctions are the only place I have bought silver. Yep, I only did the one with SGT. Penny, what got you into Amina? What is happening over there? All right, I think it's time for a music break. Let me shut this off. Let me bring this on. Y'all can please let me know if the sound is out of whack or if there's echo, so I can stop it and fix it. So here's what I'm gonna do. Let me bring this up. Gonna get some music. Do a quick music break to catch up on the chats. I'm gonna mute myself, y'all. Please throw twos or freak out in the chat. Let me know if something is wrong with the sound. All right, enjoy the music break. 3, 2, 1.
Sunrise on the dial, coffee in your hand, dues rolling in fast for the working crowd. Still in the first light, plans in your head. You want the real stuff, not the same old sound. Leaning, baby, catch the first day. Keep it moving, start the day right. Like and subscribe to Kaliilo Live. Top shelf mornings, Kaliilo Live. Like and subscribe to Kaliilo Live. Fuel for the day, Kaliilo Live. Top shelf, top shelf, top shelf. Fresh takes, straight talk, before the world wakes. Quick boost, hard truth, when the hour turns. it moving. Start the day right. Like and subscribe to Kaliilo Live. Top shelf mornings, Kaliilo Live. Like and subscribe to Kaliilo Live. Fuel for the day, Kaliilo Live. Top shelf, top shelf, top shelf. When the sky goes pale and the room feels slow, one good signal gets you going. One strong voice, one clean spark, morning melody in your voice. Like and subscribe to Kaliilo Live. Toxic mornings, Kaliilo Live. Sunrise on the dial, sunrise on the dial, sunrise on the dial, sunrise, yeah. Sunrise on the dial, sunrise on the dial, oh, sunrise. Sunrise, sunrise on the dial, sunrise on the dial, sunrise. Sunrise, 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 sunrise on the dial, sunrise. Sunrise on the dial, sunrise, sunrise on the dial, sunrise on the dial, sunrise, sunrise, sunrise on the dial, sunrise on the dial, sunrise, sunrise on the dial.
All right, we are back.
¿Te enteraste? Mía se mudó a una nueva frecuencia, 94.3 FM, una señal más grande para escuchar tus hits.
DJ Kaliilo live. Stack it up. What we do? Stack. Kaliilo live. Stack it up, stack it up. Kaliilo live. Stack it up, stack it up. What we do? Stack, stack, hey, stack. Kaliilo live. Stack it up, stack it up, stack it up, stack it up. Stack.
Like and subscribe for more update. One morning Metals Radio Live with Kaliilo, your precious metal station.
Stack silver, stack gold, and positive motivation.
To start your day.
Rural, I think the music may have made it worse. Oh my gosh, y'all so crazy. Y'all so crazy. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness.
That's what she said.
Oh my goodness.
If you would, please hit that like button.
All right, y'all. Okay, we are back. The chat, y'all so crazy. All right, let's see. Let's see what kind of music we could find us right. Chill. How about this one? Some whiskey blues. There we go. All right. Let me get caught up right quick, and then the TFT coming with it, coming with the heat. Another question, man, making me think. Ralph says, my wife and I are diversified, everything paid for with multiple incomes. My man, Ralph. All right, Ralph. Well, you are welcome. Welcome to the tribe. Welcome to the Kaliilo Stacking Warrior Tribe. My man, somebody previously asked me, where does the tribe thing come from? Well, because I am a Chicano, Latino, Mexican American. I'm proud of who I am. 55% Native American up in here. As far as my what's it called? My DNA is concerned, but I am 1000% American. So I am proud of who I am, but my heritage is from the Aztec Mayan culture, and so I like to think of the Aztec warriors, i.e., the warrior tribe, and because I like to share this space with my fellow warriors. Right? I feel like we are all warriors in this life. We are learning and growing, and my biggest goal each and every day is to speak life to the tribe. So if I can leave anyone with a positive word, that is my goal. So Ralph, welcome to the Stacking Warrior Tribe. I would love to learn from my forefathers, to learn from the elders. I highly regard the elders. So please share your wisdom to those of us in the Stacking Warrior Tribe. I saw somebody else mention it. I think it was Emerald. We've all made mistakes. We've all done all kinds of things as it relates to finances. And so me personally, I am anti-debt. I don't even have a credit card. I buy everything with cash. And if I don't have it, I save up for it and I work hard. So anywho, Ralph, thank you for being here. We appreciate you. Let's see. International Stacker just got back. Yeah, I saw his show. I saw a bit of it earlier today as I was out running around. Big show Sunday night. All right, we'll have to check it out. We got people having a good old time. What else you got? Penny. Won't stop, Kaliilo. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Emerald. My stack is about inclusion. Diversity is the key. My man. I found Kaliilo through IS. So glad I found. Yeah, thanks, Ralph. Appreciate you, my friend. 75% Native. Cool. I'm only 39% Northern Aztec Mayan, 54% Native American. The rest of it is mixed Mexican, Spanish, and all kinds of other stuff. Italian. I think I even got a little bit of Irish in there. Crazy. Ralph, there we go. Coming in with the crabs. Let's go. Bullion Brand, bro. One of a kind mix. I'm Mexican, German, Irish, and Iranian. My friend. Very good. Very well. Serpents, let's go. Let's go. High low. I'll be there. Miss you fist. Let's go. All right. Ralph, you single? I can work some magic with the other chatters on your behalf. Yeah, so crazy. Yeah, International's awesome. He's such a cool dude. He's the one that helped me get over 500. Really appreciate it. He has some of the best, most loyal subscribers out here in this space. Let's see who else we got. Ralph says, I am blessed with a wife who tells me every time I am making wrong choice. That's awesome. All right, so TFT, where you at? I know I saw your question up here, up in chill, because you're making me use the critical side of my brain, even though it's my day off. And you know what? I'm up for the challenge. Why can't I find it? It's because everyone's blue, so it's like everybody's running together. There it is. All right. TFT says, Kaliilo, what's the biggest or most impactful lesson you have learned so far since stacking? Man, you're coming with the heat, brother. You're coming with the heat. Oh, he put it again. Let's see. Amina said, Rules, born in New Hampshire, and my work had me travel along a lot back in the day. I always enjoyed my time up north. How north? Awesome. IS helped me get over to 400. Yep. Put it back up. All right. Biggest, most impactful lesson you have learned so far since stacking. So a lot of the lessons that I have in terms of like financial literacy, being anti-debt, that was all pre-stacking. So post-stacking, this sounds so cheesy. It's just very instinctful. I want to just shout it out and say it, but this is probably the simplest and most difficult lesson a little at a time. I know it sounds so cheesy. I know it does. I know it sounds like, oh my gosh, what's it called? Dollar cost averaging, whatever. But yeah, it's just a little at a time. And it has just added up so fast. So to me, 2020 was like yesterday. No joke. It has gone by so fast. And it's interesting, right? I still to this day do not consider myself a wealthy, rich person. I just genuinely don't. And when I share my stack, right, like when I've done the Poucho dumps, now if we can get over 50%, y'all, Teresa Buchanan, if you're in the chat, Amina, somebody, y'all can check. If we're over 50%, I will do a Poucho dump. If we beat, so right now it looks like we are 50-50. You know what? Let me pull it up. Let me pull it on up. Where are we at here? All right. Yeah, it does appear that we're still 50-50. So if we can get over 50%, I will do a gold El Jefe Poucho dump. What is a gold El Jefe Poucho dump, you say? Well, it's this thing on the screen. If y'all can see it, this is where all my gold lives. And it's very difficult to get it all out and put it back. So I don't like to do it. But I will dump all my gold all over my desk and make a huge mess if y'all can help me get over 50%. We got to 50, but we need to get to at least 51. Come on, y'all. Help a brother out. If you haven't voted, please head on over there. Vote for Kaliilo, please. In the Coin Collector Kumite. Teresa, you know what to do. You know what to do. You got the link. So I was explaining to TFT. Where do we go? I lost my train of thought. We were talking. I was going to say that I don't consider myself a wealthy person, and so, I've actually had people say, right, because of the channel, they're like, "Oh, you must be rich." Like I had one kid one time say, "Well, if I had the job that you have," and I'm like, "Wait, what are you talking about?" Like, like I genuinely have never considered myself someone that comes from privilege because I grew up on food stamps, government cheese, I grew up with humble beginnings. So, yeah, I just don't consider myself a wealthy person. But anyways, back to the point of every little bit counts. I was buying a little bit of silver year over year, a little bit at a time, and before I knew it, I had hundreds of ounces. Before I knew it, I was trading silver for gold. Before I knew it, I had 10, 20, 25 ounces of gold. And it was just a little at a time. No joke. I put myself on a schedule. There was times where I was doing the whole beans and rice. Now, this was before I was married. Before I was married and I was a bachelor, eating beans and rice, cleaning and washing paper plates, doing what I had to do to keep costs really low because I really was and still am, but I was super into metals, super into it. I was like, I remember one month, I bought a 50 pesos gold centenario. And in fact, here, let's do a little bit of show and tell because TFT comes with the good questions. So usually I can do this blind without looking at it because I can tell which one is the centenario. Nope, that's not that one. Come on. There we go. Boom. Here we go. So one of these is actually, I think it is this one. Anyways, I wanted a 50 pesos gold centenario. And, back then they were about, let's see, gold hadn't gone to where it's at today. So I believe this would have been 2,300. Yes, 2,300 when I got it. I think now they're about 551, 5,200 or so. But anyway, I wanted one. They're about 2,300. Of course, I have zero debt. I have zero credit cards, and I was buying on Pmsforsale. And so I had saved up. I had some cash ready to go, but that was everything I had. I bought it, but I had nothing for bills. I had nothing for groceries. Well, I mean, all my bills are paid, but I had nothing for groceries and going out, whatever. So the rest of that month, I spent it literally eating beans and rice. I did not go out. Friends, family hit me up. I said, sorry, I can't go out. I'm broke. But it was a great sacrifice. So I was circling back to every little bit counts. That's the biggest lesson that I learned. A little bit at a time. Stay within your means. try not to stretch yourself too thin like I did. That was the lesson that I learned, right, Emerald? We learned. But yeah, um, little bit at a time. If you want to call it dollar cost averaging, fine, whatever. It is what it is. But a little bit at a time adds up. And I had one of the old timers actually tell me that. They said, just in terms of investing, 5%, 1%, 10%, they was like, just save a little bit at a time. And I took that same stance or approach, or at least I tried to, with stacking. And before you know it, you have hundreds of ounces. And then if you're like me and you're on Pmsforsale and you're trading it, playing the GSR, you trade it for gold. And now I feel like I've put myself in a really, really comfortable position for my and my wife's future. So, all right, TFT coming with the heat. That's it. I'll leave it there. Any other questions? Let's see. My boy SGT, let's go. What's up? Kaliilo, like the gumbo of nationalities. More like menudo, pozole, birria. Just kidding. I'm a maple melting American, my man. Yes, sir. Let's go. Q Kaliilo, what's your favorite mint? Oh, come on, that's an easy one. Mexico mint all day, baby. Mexico mint. The Mexican mint, Mexican silver, Mexican libertad are my favorites. And because I said it,
Libertad! Sí, sí, sí! Ta, ta, ta! Libertad!
Bullion Brent, IS help me get over 400. Yes, sir. Let's see. Oh, I already read those. Let's keep on going. Where we at? Best advice, please. Active, patience, and stack what you can afford. Yes, sir. That's right. All right, what else we got? I miss anything else? Penny will go south for a woman. Oh, serpents, not me. Penny is who I'm talking about. All right. SGT, we got business now. I've closed on my house. We talk again. That's right, Amina. Amina, I've been keeping an eye out for you because I know you were looking for a 5-ounce Libertad. So if you ever need to hit up my boy Rooney, specifically, actually Rooney, as you can see from that sticker there, Rooney Skywalker, hit him up on Pmsforsale. He's the one that always has inventory, so he got you if you ever need it. Ralph Ramsey says you will never make the correct financial decision at the perfect time. That's true. Very, very true. Let's see. SGT, I'm happy for you. I mean, nothing beats having your own home. Yeah, that's right. Silver Fox, what's up? What's going on? Welcome. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you. Boom. All right, and nothing more secure than home totally paid for. Yeah, that's my next goal, Ralph. You sound like a very wise elder, and as part of the tribe, yeah, that's one of the things that I've learned was do your best, try to pay off your house. That's where I'm headed. My goal is to have it paid off in the next 5 to 7 years, and not, just by staying on my normal schedule. So. What else we got? Let's see. Rural says I'll meet up, but I'm bringing Penny with me. TFT, howdy Fox. What else we got here? Poucho dump is 20. Actually, serpents, we're at almost 27 ounces. We're at 26.7557, if I remember correctly. So almost 27 ounces of gold in the El Jefe gold poucho. So this is the El Jefe gold poucho, and as you can see, it's stuck full to the brim. Sometimes, see, even now it's hard to close. Yeah, it's a good problem to have, but I don't like to dump it because it makes a big mess, and it's hard to put it all back in there together without it's like bursting at the seam. Oh my gosh, what did we do? Look at that, y'all. Look at that. All right, man of my word. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. Give me a 1 in the chat. Poucho dump now, or 2 for later. 1 in the chat. I need ones. Give me ones. If you want a poucho dump, give me ones. Kaliilo, what's your biggest gold piece? Well, I'm about to show you. Dutch Murphy, let's go. Let's go. All right. Well, nothing but ones. Well. All right, here we go. All right.
Libertad! Sí, sí, sí! Libertad.
All right. Well, since we did it, this chat done did it. We're at 51%. 51%. Great work. Votes are 281. Best chat ever. This is a W for the chat right here. This is for y'all. All right. Well, it is time to do a Poucho dump. So what I'm going to do, for those of you who have never seen one, again, I try not to do it. It's so messy. It is so messy. And it is so annoying trying to clean up. I want to put some music, but I also want to do this. I'm going to do this instead. So let's go there. Let's go there. Boom. How's that? Well, let's try this one. Yeah, there we go. I want y'all to stay on the screen. So let's just leave that there. Can y'all hear me okay? Cool. I'm going to put some music. Is that big enough, y'all, to see the whole Poucho dump? I'm going to do my best to get it all on the screen, but I want to keep y'all on the screen. All right, let's get some music. Let's get some music. All right, what do we want? What do we want to listen to? Want to do some of that new stuff? You want to do the old stuff? Oh, actually, you know what? I like this one. Here we go. Haven't played this one in a minute. All right, y'all, I'm going to mute myself. Or maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Because I don't want there to be a bunch of background sounds. So here's what I'm going to do. Yes, let's go, Teresa. Let's go. If you have not voted, vote for Kaliilo. Yes, sir. Stack that gold. Oh, just in time for the gold Poucho dump. I don't do this, man. I haven't done this in a hot minute, but I'm a man of my word. The chat came through. W chat. We're over 51% on the voting. Teresa, you are the best mod. Good looking out. Teresa Buchanan, 6836. Hit her up. Check out her channel. What? And we even got Macho Man up in here? Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, brother. Oh, have a good one, Teresa. Appreciate you. Here you go, Teresa. Here you go. And then here you go, Teresa. You got some walkout music.
That's all, folks.
All right. That's for you, Teresa. Appreciate you helping out with getting the votes up. Let's see. What I see, Adorable Penny, don't make me find you. That's awesome. All right, y'all. Well, let's get some music going. Poucho dump time. I am going to mute myself. Y'all have a good old time. I threw you all up on the board so y'all can see yourselves. All right, here we go.
Yeah.
Kaliilo life.
Top shelf mornings. Ride with me. Ride with me.
Sunrise falling on my window. Peace of mind, I finally feel whole. All I build, yeah, it's solid gold. Strong inside, never lose control.
Slow it down, let the pressure fade. Every move, yeah, it's all been made. In the light, I can see the way. We gon' last, we don't ever break. Early rise, mind clear. No fear when the vision this real. Hand steady when I'm holding that weight. That security they never could fake. No rush, I've been moving precise. Every step got a purpose in life. While they gamble, I'm keeping it tight. Real value, that's a different type. Stack it up, let it sit, let it grow. I don't fold, I just stick to the code. Warrior mind, yeah, I carry the load. Solid wins, let the story be told.
Sunrise falling on my window. Peace of mind, I finally feel whole. All I build, yeah, solid gold. Strong inside, never lose control.
Cruise slow, let the city just breathe. No noise, just the power I keep. Every loss turned a lesson for me. Mind saw coming back 10 deep. Mind strong, never break under pressure. Built different, I was made for the weather. From the ground, now I'm changing the level. Now the view looking clean and it's better. Gold light, hit the dash when I glide. Silver lines in the path that I ride. Not a trend, it's a way I survive. Legacy, what I'm leaving behind.
Ooh, we don't chase, we align. Take our time. We ride.
We gon' last, we don't break. Kaliilo on the line.
Precious metals, baby.
Sun up, come out, I'm checking that shine. Silver in the tray, gold on my mind. Coffee on one hand, big plans in the other. Boss move season, we don't wait, we recover.
Fresh off the ground with a calm like steel. You can hear the pace when the room gets real.
Stack a little today, but stack again tomorrow. Turn it small and loud, that's how you bow.
Top shelf, top shelf.
Keep it up, keep it right.
Cold.
Cold to the touch, but it wants the whole night.
Top shelf, top shelf.
We don't fold, we hold. Build that value up, let it turn to gold.
Top shelf morning.
Top shelf more.
Kaliilo, keep it going. Top shelf morning.
Stack silver, stack gold.
Top shelf morning.
Boss move, just let it roll.
Top shelf morning.
Top shelf morning. Got a notebook full of next step moves. No wasted motion, just a clean new groove. Every little house got a bigger story. Quiet little habits turning into glory.
If the day comes hard, we still stand tall. Make the tough call and we make one more call. For that value talk in a voice that rings. Build from the ground up, that's a king thing. Top shelf, top shelf.
Keep it up, keep it right.
Cold.
Cold to the touch, but it wants the whole night.
Top shelf, top shelf.
We don't fold, we hold. Build that value up, let it turn to gold.
Top shelf morning.
Top shelf morning.
Kaliilo, keep it going. Top shelf morning.
Stack summer, stack gold.
Top shelf morning.
Boss room, just let it roll.
Top shelf morning.
Top shelf morning. When the room gets quiet, hear that truth come through. What you keep, what you build comes back to you. Not just shine, not just style, it's the mind, it's the blend. Put your hand on your future, say I know I can.
Top shelf morning. Top shelf morning. Woo. Top shelf morning.
Kaliilo.
Top shelf morning. Top shelf morning. Top shelf morning.
Top shelf morning.
Top shelf morning. Top shelf morning.
Kaliilo.
All right, we are back. Let's go. All right. Well, how's the sound? Everybody still with me? Everybody still hear me? Aight. Okay, cool. All right. How's the chat doing? Y'all having a fun? Dutch Murphy, pretty mess. Yes, that is the gold pouch. Well, actually, El Jefe. The El Jefe gold poucho dump. This thing is empty. Look how deflated. Look how deflated it looks. Deflated. Wow. Yeah, this is it's been stretched to the brim because as you can tell, a lot of these pieces are in plastic and felt bags when I bought them, and I try to keep my stuff protected as much as possible for, to preserve its resale value. This guy here, little Canadian gold. Yeah, beautiful piece. I mean, if y'all want to see it on the Sigma, I'd be happy to bust out the Sigma, but that takes a lot of work. Matt Wingay, my friend. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let there be gold. Let there be gold. Shiny. So now we get to watch him try and put it back. No, I won't do that live. I will not do that live because then I'll be cursing and I'll be like, stop, I'm a bitch. Yeah, it gets so frustrating trying to put it back. Emerald, solid gold stack. Kaliilo, thanks, my friend. I appreciate you. Thank you. Yeah, it's Amina says, most of them BS gets, I'm tired of things being my decision. I want to trust. Whoa, wait, what? what happened here? I want to trust a man to do most of the thinking for me, unless he needs or wants me. Trusted, value, opinion. Wow. Okay, we're doing some love connection stuff. So I guess the music is on point, huh? Amina, my email's in my channel description. I know, Penny. Wow, y'all funny. You know, it's funny that you say this, Amina. I don't want to offend anybody, but I'm going to try to keep this as PC as possible. I want to trust a man to do most of the thinking for me. That's actually what my wife says. No joke. SGT knows where I'm coming from. So SGT knows that I'm very red pill. If y'all know what that means in the red pill, blue pill space, I just learned a long time ago that in my opinion, genuinely, I am a Christian, that there are certain roles that people play, and sometimes if you're on the same page, if you are in agreement that each of you has a specific role, it helps to have harmony. The Bible says be equally yoked. I'll leave it there. That's the end of my rant, but that's one of the things that my wife says. She says, I loved, what did she say? She said it to one of her friends. I heard her saying it. One of the reasons she married me was because she doesn't have to think, and that was one of the biggest compliments. Because I am a firm believer is that a man should provide, a man should protect, a man should do all in his power to assure that his loved ones are taken care of. So leaving it there. I'm not going to get too far off of my on the soapbox because I don't want to get canceled. Thanks, Amina. I appreciate that. SGT says they don't make them the same, men or women. That's kind of what I've been noticing. So if you're a traditional woman, Amina, guard that at all costs. The right man will come. Amen. Absolutely. All right. Yeah. I want one like that, Amina says. Yeah, I'll tell you what. Forged in the fire, Amina. Forged in the fire. Just because we're here for just a hot minute, I know this is a precious metals stacking channel, but I will just say this: forged in the fire. Grew up without a father. Had to learn how to be a father on my own. Made a lot of mistakes, which is why it took me until 42 years old to finally be married. I consider it, as a Christian, my 40 years in the desert, like the Israelites who sinned against God, and so they were stuck for 40 years in the desert. And so I had to learn the hard way, how to be a man. And then I learned, and not to say that I'm there, not to say that I can teach books or whatever, teach or write books about it, but from those smarter than me, those that came before me, and those who I look up to. And so I'm doing my best. That's all I can say. I'm doing my best to try to be a good man, a good, virtuous, hardworking man that don't take no ish from nobody. Because I heard someone say in YouTube once, he said, the right type of man can hold a baby and also cut a throat in the same day. So that's me. If I need to, I will fight, but I prefer not to. But at the same time, I like to make sure that my wife is taken care of, and I show her some tender love and admiration, because she is a wonderful, wonderful woman. God bless me with her, and I am blessed and highly favored. All right, I need to move off of that topic because I'm not trying to get canceled. All right, so back to the gold dump. All right, y'all, thanks again for the voting, the coin collector kumite. I appreciate y'all. Let me give it a one more refresh over here. 51 to 49, 281 votes. All right, we're back ahead in the race. It closes tomorrow 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So yeah, thanks y'all. Again, I appreciate it. 25 in the chat. I appreciate y'all being here with me. The time is now 5:54 p.m. on Friday, June 12th. Who else we got? High Low says stacking gold and silver is my new girlfriend. Serpent says, true, Kaliilo, you are not peaceful unless you are capable of violence. Amen, my friend. If you're not capable of violence, you are not peaceful. You are harmless. That's right. Amina says, I love that, Kaliilo. Congrats on finding a woman that helps you build. Amen. Blessed and highly favored. Muslim BS gets back to the election. BCS sends out stickers and other cool ish. Just saying. All right. I promise I will. So here's the thing. I'm confessing, all right? I was supposed to keep this on the DL, but I'm working on some new poker chips and behind the scenes. And so the person that I was working with them on, had to take a pause. And so I'm not sure when I get them, but I was hoping to get them soon so that I can start sending them out with some stickers and pogs, because y'all know the whole pog thing. I wanted to send them out. So hopefully I get them soon. If I don't get them by the end of June, I'm probably just going to go and do an order off of one of the, just like the regular poker chip maker people, websites, whatever, and just use that same image. So again, so I'll just say it now. It's June 12th, so 2 weeks. If in the next 2 weeks I don't get them from who I was working with them on, I'll just make an order and then send out. Since I'm officially over 500 and I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna make an order for some really nice, well-made poker chips that I can send out, again with stickers and with the pogs, and then likely let's see if I can get it without making a mess, because my desk is a mess because of all of this gold. I know, what a weird thing to say, huh? Nope, I can't get it. I can't find it. Oh, here we go. So I got this full of stickers and grams of gold, grams of silver, and these are all for giveaways. So yeah. And I believe, if I can find it, I believe there's gold in here somewhere that I wanted to give away. Maybe nope, it's not that one. Let's see, is it maybe nope. Nope. Let's see if I can find it. Nope, I don't think it's in this one. I know I had it on my desk somewhere. Well, there's some gold, I want to say 1/200 or 1/500s. I don't know, I thought I had them in here. Anyways, gonna give away some gold. So, but that's once we get to 1,000. So help me get to 1,000, y'all. Anywho, gold poucho dump. It's gonna take forever to put back, but y'all earned it. Let's see. Hilo says, Maliki, your music and channel got me out of being lazy and now motivated again. Appreciate the positive vibes. Thanks, my friend. Thank you. Genuinely, that means a lot to me. Like I said, my goal is to speak life, and out here in this world, you never know, right? So I hope y'all continue to enjoy the content that I put out. My favorite time to do it is the quote-unquote morning metals radio, because I can go live, I can interact with y'all, have fun. I got the soundboard, and it's, for me, it saves so much time from having to make videos and all the editing. It's like 4 hours of editing to make like one 10-minute video. So anywho, but today is afternoon metals radio. And so I will say, since we're almost to 2 hours, and I believe, does anybody know if there was a channel, Stacker channel, or another channel that was about to go live? Because if so, I'm going to get off. But if not, we'll have time to do a community live. Let's see, because I think, was it Dub C? I thought I saw Dub C might have been going on live at 6 p.m. PST, and if not, I'll stay on and we can do a community chat. Otherwise, I'm gonna get off because I don't want to infringe on his time. Let's see, Dub C, 6:30. Oh, sweet, we have plenty of time. Awesome, plenty of time. So 6:30. So we got 30 minutes. So we got some time to hang out. Does anybody want to come up? And if so, here is the link. Come on up, guests. And now, OC, if you come up, you got to make sure your sound is good, because last time we had some horrible background static. All right, anybody want to come on up? Serpents, OC, Matt Wingate, Mustard, and Bieskits SGT. He says, I love real life chat, Kaliilo. Don't shy away from the real talk. My man, well, see, man, I got all kind of opinions, but I'm not trying to get canceled. I just started in YouTube. I got all kind of opinions, man. And as you all probably know, most of us stackers don't just do one thing. A lot of us have other things that we do in terms of like skill sets, right? Skill sets, like, you know, I'm sure, who was it? Serpents. I would love to talk about this. Serpents is a sniper, or a what is it, crack shot, or what do you call that? I forget what it's called, but super dope. Kaliilo says this soundboard a dedicated piece of hardware or something that can be done easy in StreamYard. Yep, it's in StreamYard, my friend. I did create one on the side. I spent a bunch of time, days in fact, creating a soundboard, a digital version one that it's hard. I haven't been able to learn how to integrate it into StreamYard, so I just use the StreamYard one. Let's see, what else? Any other cool chats? Panger having fun. Stacking in a tree. STAK. Oh, ST. All right. I see what you did there. That's awesome. All right, it took me a second. I was like, stacking in a tree, STACKING. First come. All right, yeah, I get it. Panger says, get your man before morning. There it is, Emerald. There it is. Oh my gosh, y'all so crazy. Just check your emails on my channel. Ha ha ha. Yeah, where'd that go? That's right, Emerald. All right, anybody want to come on up? I'm gonna drop the link so we can wrap up. We got about 30 minutes before Dub C comes on, and then I'm probably gonna call it a night. I don't want to infringe on his time. Catcom, my man, Catcom, you must come up. You have no choice. You're gonna come up right now. Let's see. How can I? Where's my? What do I do with that? Oh, there we go. I'm trying to pin it. There we go. All right, well, whatever. Oh, stack that gold. Come on up here, my friend. Come on up here. Come say what's up. Stack that gold says y'all are getting weird in here. I gotta watch the World Cup. All right, my friend. Enjoy the show. What else we got? See ya, STG, and be looking out for the vid. TFT got to head out as well. Blessings. Hey, TFT, thank you for those thought-provoking questions. Good looking out. Got me out here using my my critical brain. Oh, thanks, buddy. Appreciate you. Take it easy, my friend. Let's see. Penny says, you guys are making me want to do some push-ups or something. Do some squats, man. Do some squats and some lunges. There we go. Catcom.
Penny says, you guys are making me want to do some push-ups or something. Do some squats, man. Do some squats and some lunges.
You gotta mute something.
There we go. Catcom.
All right, let me know once it's muted, Catcom, and I will unmute you.
Hear better now?
Omega too. So both of y'all. Both of y'all need to mute your YouTubes, and then I will unmute you in 5 seconds. I'll give you 5 seconds, and then I'll unmute you both. Hopefully the background sound is gone. All right.
I turn all off. You hear better now?
Catcom, testing.
I hear.
OC, there's some background still. Some background.
But turn all off. Just the background, background sound.
Yeah, Catcom, I got you, buddy. You're good. OC has like what's it called? Feedback.
No.
It's like feedback.
Yeah. Not me. Just my parent watching TV.
Oh, gotcha. Amina says, y'all, I'm in a hotel after moving all day in Texas humidity and rain. I look gorgeous, so now's definitely the time to see me live. LOL. Better to see me at my worst, right? So the rest blessed. LOL. Well, come on up, Amina. Shoot, come on up here. Come say what's up. Say hi to the chat.
Want to show you what me got in the mail?
Yeah, what you got, buddy?
Honor of God and little baby, Jesus loves you.
I like it. Is that from
Yeah, I think so. One more thing I'll show you. I need to flip my camera around. Hold on.
Hello?
Oh, we got you, Catcom, loud and clear. Oh, nice.
You see, the 3.5 millimeter. That time to get
shiny.
way longer.
That's
yeah,
shiny.
925.
Well done, my friend.
Yeah.
Oh, too, you can't see the necklace with all that hair.
What's up, Serpents? What's going on?
Not much. Just got off of work about 2 hours ago. Your stream started perfectly. I got home and I saw you were going on, so I was sharing it around Discord and got back in right in time for you to start.
The chat is having fun. He's trying to do love connection or something. I don't know what.
I can hear Serpent.
No judgment. Hear me now. I'm sure Penny doesn't have to make up.
Can you hear me?
We got you. Where you got you, Catcom?
I hear you.
I can hear Capcom and OC Omega. I hear everyone.
Do you hear them, Catcom?
I can only hear you.
Yeah. Try coming back on in, buddy.
Oh wait.
The freaking humidity is so high, so hot.
Catcom, you with us?
I hear you. You there, Catcon?
All right.
Catcom, testing.
Oh, that was a pretty good deal. You got Kaliilo a couple ounces, but 63 for that silver crystal.
Oh yeah. I'm glad I did it too, because I wanted that shark hook for the longest time.
That's a pretty cool pour.
Yeah, I cannot wait. Let me see if I can find the video from FG. Let's see. My man,
Is
FG.
my voice okay? My sound good? I got new headphones, so I'm testing them out.
Oh yeah, we got you, buddy.
Sound good on this.
What's going on, Catcom? What's new today? Any new pickups? Catcom, testing. Oh, look at that.
No, I just bought, I think, was it earlier today? Yeah. I was watching Average Jane, Blue Collar's Wife on Whatnot, and I think I got a couple grams of silver. Or was it yesterday? It was yesterday, yeah. A couple grams of silver, some copper, and a couple of other small pieces.
Oh, yeah, I've seen him pouring that thing.
Yeah. FG killed it. I cannot wait to get that home. Shoot, such a beauty.
Yeah.
All right, take it off the stage. So, can everyone hear each other?
I hear you.
Okay. Catcom, can you hear?
I can hear everyone.
I can only hear Serpent.
Oh, Catcom can't hear.
Oh, okay.
Tell Catcom that I'm gonna send him back, and if he can come back in.
All right, Catcoms. Kalilo's gonna send you out, and then if you want to come back in.
Oh boy.
Maybe the
And
error.
rejoin. That might be
to
me. I don't
before.
know. Yeah, StreamYard plays games. It's weird.
Yeah, it happened to me before. Not fun.
Yeah. Oh, I was a little. I mean, what I purchased wasn't too much. It was an ounce for 73, and then a half ounce pour for 7. It was 38, so like 76 an ounce. I was debating picking up some more fractional. Like I think I'd seen someone selling some halves near spot. That was like 70 an ounce, but I held off, and I'm just kind of holding on to now about a little bit of money until I get paid next week. I've got a concert coming up, but I'm debating maybe taking some buffaloes to sell in Santa Fe the day of the show, just to have a little bit of extra pocket money. Especially if the price continues up, I might sell a couple ounces of silver. But I'm sad gold to go back up.
You're so funny.
Tanger's doing a giveaway.
Is he? All right. That's
Yeah, he's got 2 videos up where he was doing his picture to an STL file, and then the 3D printing, and he's got some keywords mentioned in those videos you got to watch and listen for. Nice. I'm not going to give it away, so if he gets the views and engagement, you got to go support Panger. Oh, I forget. This is one I picked up.
Nice.
The Space Miner round. This thing is proof, man. It's like I can see my hand.
Catcom, how's the sound? Are you with us?
Hello.
Hello, hello. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Catcom, can you hear Kaliilo?
You hear him?
Catcom, testing.
Maybe it's
testing,
me.
1, 2.
Since I was the last one in. Maybe it's me.
That's his channel round.
I don't hear nothing.
Nothing, Catcom.
Drained.
I don't hear nothing.
Nothing, Catcom.
Really into
No.
it. Drained.
Great. I don't hear nothing.
Joshua, I'm out later, everyone. Take it easy, buddy. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you. Serpents, Catcom, everybody back?
I think Kaliilo
Yep.
set me up.
I hear you, Kaliilo, and Catcom and OC, I think.
I hear Catcon. I hear Catcon.
I hear everybody.
I hear you, Kaliilo.
I don't know.
Poor Catcom.
Hello.
You
Poor
gotta come up, and he's the one that's left off.
Hope that he get a fish soon.
Yeah. All right. Well, it's all good. We only got about 20 minutes. So, where were you, Serpents? You were talking about that deal. Oh, yeah. The one on Pmsforsale.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for it to come in the mail. It was supposed to be delivered tomorrow, but the tracking says it hasn't left Jacksonville, Florida. So I'm really kind of curious if it's been moving or not.
In the mail, it was supposed to be delivered
Oh,
tomorrow, but
there
the
we go.
tracking says it
Thou's
hasn't
in there.
left
Get on up here,
Jacksonville,
sir.
Florida.
Get on up
Hi,
here.
Father in there.
Oh, yeah,
We
he was
missed
in the
you
chat
so.
earlier.
Come up,
I threw a
come
bunch of
right up.
radios and stuff. I wasn't sure if you saw.
Someone send a link that he get on. Get on.
Somebody sound. He goes Catcom sound.
How's in there?
If you would, please hit that like button and help expand this wealthy community of ours. When you hit that like, you're saying you want more content like this.
SGT, have a great night all. Putting on some music to decompress on the way home. Have a blessed weekend. Hey, you too, my friend. Take care. Thank you for stopping by. Appreciate you. Get home safe, buddy. God bless you. SGT.
Oh yeah, one more thing I want to show you. We got in the mail.
What'd you get?
All right, let me see.
Obsidian.
Get out of
Cross. Hold on. Was it evil? Reading one
Oh, it's
fear?
a cross.
Yeah.
1,000 there.
Same.
1,000 in. Where are you?
I like that color.
There's the link. 1,000 there. Come on up. Catcom, can you hear us yet? Oh, nothing. All right.
Oh, thank you, Munit. Yeah, Space Miner is another YouTuber. He happens to live in my home state of New Mexico, and he does cool exotic metal coatings. He was talking about he just figured out a process for I think it was sapphire coating and then glass over a silver round, so you could pocket piece it or whatever, and it won't get scratched or dull and tarnished. And he says it might be replicatable with ruby and emerald. Like ruby coated silver. Ruby coated silver. Let me see. Oh, here they are.
All right.
And these ones, I mean, since you haven't been around much, I haven't seen you in the last week. I know you've been busy with your house closing.
No, I can't hear you. I'm. Give me a second.
I wonder if I actually, if I dim the lights a little, it might
welcome to the
show
stage,
it better.
y'all.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. And now, it's time!
1,000 there. There you go, buddy. There you go. Testing.
What's up?
We all back.
Hello, Thousand
here?
there.
Yep.
Hello.
Yeah,
We hear you.
Hear you.
Long time no see. How's it going?
Good. How we doing?
Good, man. Blessed and highly favored. What are you up to today? Working?
Yeah, I just got out. I might even be able to reconnect and show up some goodies too.
Yes, let's
I'm
go.
just in the car heading home.
Nice. You got
I
any
was
pieces
listening.
on the seat there?
It's good to see you on, man. Like, it's a real mood lifter.
Yeah, man. Absolutely. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, you sound good.
All right, good. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I did an afternoon, Friday afternoon Metals radio episode. Woke up late.
Oh, yeah, what are you, 4 hours different from me, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, it's Friday. Wanted to sleep in, have brunch with my wife. We had to go run some errands, get some groceries and things. And I was like, you know what? Let me come back on in and greet the community. It's been a great time.
Yeah, you got a nice chill vibe going, man. I think everybody would be, it would be in everybody's best interest if you were around doing this quite often.
Nah, that's what's up. Appreciate that, buddy. Genuinely appreciate it. So what's up? What's new with you, man? What's going on in Thousandaires world?
Ooh. It's like I told Fish one time. I get in life-threatening confrontations all the time. He's like, no, you don't. And I was like, well, maybe they don't know it.
Oh, no. Hey, you just say the word, man. I'll call biscuits and
No. I already said too much.
Okay. Well, you let us know. You just send up the Thousandaire bat signal, and we'll come a running, buddy.
No, I'm good though. But yeah, if I can come up with some revenue that needs that, then we can team up. And then
call the tribe. You call the tribe, man. We'll band together. Shoot.
No, I'm good, man. I'm good. Especially if I'm talking, I'm not going to do anything.
Yeah. So well, I know the serpent. So I'm glad to have him on my 6. Cause shoot, that boy don't miss literally. How many awards you got, serpents?
I think like 7.
Wow.
They're in my closet.
You never mess with a guy who has a digital caliber.
Yeah, never run away from serpents. You got to go close combat with serpents. Don't go far away.
When I was linking up, I heard you saying he was a sniper. I didn't know if you were talking about an auction sniper, but then the sound went out, and then. But I guess you were talking about real sniper.
Yeah,
Not surprised.
Bonafide marksman, my man.
Yeah.
I didn't know if you were talking about auction sniper, but then the sound went out.
Let me see how far I can walk away with the still working.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
See if I can grab one of my little play trophies.
You got to be able to shoot long distance in New Mexico, or else you're not going to be able to. I mean, aren't you all spread out pretty far anyway?
Yeah.
Yep.
Now look at your neighbor through the scope.
Yep. I just realized in one of these little cups, because it's like a handmade clay shot glass, is the rear sight I took off of one of my 22s, so I could put a scope on it.
Nice.
But I just grabbed these 2 because they're the smaller sized ones for the local matches I used to do. They haven't happened in a couple years, so I'm not sure what's happening. But yeah.
Yeah, it's like riding a bike though.
Yep.
Yeah, I have
things up to about 400 yards were almost a good hit. After 600, it got a little tricky.
My man, I heard you say something about a mile shot, right? That you were practicing to do a mile.
I wanted to do a mile. My furthest so far is 1,220 yards, which is 100 yards short of 3/4 of a mile. Now, every 440 yards is a quarter mile.
120 yards, which is 100 yards short of 3/4 of a mile.
Look who just showed up.
Kaliilo, you hear me?
Blue collar.
40 yards is a quarter mile.
Hey, Catcom, yep, I got you loud and clear, buddy. Can you hear me?
Somebody's got a second device on.
I can hear you.
Somebody's got a second device on.
This is for blue collar.
Oh wow, blue collar's here.
Yeah. Oh, I was gonna say, blue collar comes back tomorrow morning with the live stream.
Yeah, he does.
And I almost dropped the spoiler.
It is. You're my nemesis
I forget.
Right now, blue collar. You're my nemesis right now.
The Kumite.
Got him!
How dare you?
What's up, blue collar? How are you doing, buddy? Yeah, I'm super happy. I'm pumped that you're coming back tomorrow, buddy, for sure. Pumped. Panger says I got to travel more to check it out. Let's go. Mina says Texas has changed since I was there. I really can't stand any part of it anymore. I am most definitely leaving and going in a direction that leaves this state. Let's go. Blue collar, yes sir. I feel the same about New Mexico. Yeah, man. Y'all want somewhere peaceful, Pacific Northwest, but you just got to deal with the nonsense here. Just stay away from the nonsense, you'll be fine. It's peaceful and quiet and great.
Yeah, that's kind of the same way in New Mexico. Mostly, it's just the trend in politics is going that way that, like California and Virginia and New York and Jersey and.
So Thousander, you were saying.
Yeah, what's that?
I can't remember.
I got some comic books today.
Yeah, what'd you get? What'd you get, buddy?
What you got?
Lobo book and first X-Force. First appearance of the X-Force. High grade. Newsstands. I like the X-Force because it's like X-Men except they murk.
All
I'm
right.
like, well, here's the lesson of the day, little Timmy. This is why I didn't smoke him. Like they're like, nah, none of that. Let's see. But it's just somewhere it's just for flipping, kind of like what you do with coins.
Yeah.
I thought of you during the dip, Thousander.
What's that?
I thought of you this last week during the silver dip. I think I saw somebody that had 500 Mercury dimes for $4.30 each, so 43 X base, and 500 available.
Oh, they might have been. They might have been some of mine that I sold at $96 an ounce.
Yeah.
I still got like 1,000 some left though. I might start rebuying them again soon. I'm gonna buy some more silver dollars, that's for sure. And I've been buying silver dollars.
I'm trying to count my Merc dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's 8. I don't have that many. I got 2 rosies. And
the good news is if I don't make videos, then I don't end up having to buy more dimes for a while.
Yeah. I think I have 19 Mercury dimes altogether.
They made the new dimes look like Mercury dimes, didn't they?
Yeah, I've got one right here.
I can't see anything. I can't see the chat, but I'm at home now.
Yeah, you're driving.
But I'm at home, so I'll be able to see the chat in a second.
All good. I'm dropping the Dub C link. This live is starting in about what we got. 7 minutes left.
Oh, that's it, huh?
And we'll head over to Dub C. We'll shark rate him, and then I'll just wrap up for the night. Muscle Shell came on into the chat. What's going on, buddy? Good to see you, man. Thanks for stopping by. Catcom says 1,000 there. You see Vermilion today's platinum?
No, but
who's Dub C?
Vermilion is just like a coin shop in Florida, right?
Yeah, that's right. Vermilion Enterprises.
Yeah, I haven't been ready to spend credit card money on that stuff right now.
Let's go, the Duke of Vegeta. How you doing, buddy? Good to see you, man.
That's the Duke of Agita, like Harper.
The Duke of Agita.
Yeah,
there we go.
Vegeta's cool though. I used to say the same thing.
The Duke of Agita.
Ain't I a stinker?
A stinker?
Catcom, you back? Catcom, you with us?
I can hear you.
Yes, finally. Just in time.
Nice.
It's a shame we can't boil up a good conversation.
I know, but
yeah.
I don't want to infringe Dub C's time because he's going to go live here at 6:30.
What if you don't talk about coins?
We talk about
hot.
Just kidding.
let's just talk about news topics.
Correct and consternation. Nice. Rural says few days pretty touristy there. A lot of stops. All right. Cool. You got some. You said you got some comic books to flip. Are you planning on doing any lives or videos for the stacking community?
Yeah, probably put something together pretty soon. I've changed up software and hardware and everything, so there's a lot going on. But I should be up and running pretty soon.
Nice.
I'm enjoying the vacation though.
Yeah,
I've been putting in more work.
Very nice. Doing some overtime,
But
getting some more.
I'm looking forward to making longer form stuff.
Okay. All right. Stacking fiat.
And if somebody else has good lives, man, I'll just jump on their lives. You know, that could work too.
Yeah.
That works for me.
Yeah, Catcom, I'm wondering when you sleep. I think I've seen lives in the morning and you're on there too.
Yeah, that's just me and AI.
Yeah, I'm gonna spend the rest of the evening, maybe probably during Dubsy's live stream, trying to put all this gold back.
I'm sending another load detector Monday.
Nice.
Me and the guy come to an agreement on stuff, so I'll be shopping by next Wednesday.
That reminds me of almost the only gold I have left is gold backs. I just traded not long ago. I traded somebody 3 ounces of silver for 106 half gold backs.
Nice.
Yeah, I just traded the spot price of silver for the spot price of gold. So I got like this.
Oh wow!
I got a lot of these gold backs now.
Really nice.
I mean, that was a good deal. How are you not going to do that? You know.
Mm-hmm.
I figure I can.
Kaliilo, how long have you been stacking, brother? How long have I been stacking? Well, I had mentioned to TFT. He has a really thought-provoking question earlier. Official stacking, I want to say mid 2020. So what was that? 5.5 years, I guess. Like official stacking, like when I can actually consider myself an actual stacker. I want to say 5.5 years.
I think
what about before that?
Well, before that, it was just little pieces here and there. You know, I had a necklace. Sorry, some background sound here. Yeah, I got I had a necklace. I had like a money clip. What was it? Slab Morgan that I got from the Pawn Stars, like that Pawn Stars pawn shop. What else did I have? I think I had like just small little things here and there because I've always been drawn to silver, but not like officially like a stacker. So, good question, man. Good question.
Stacking
6.
Stacking
Nice.
cash.
Great stack for 6 years. Yeah, I mean, and then as far as like the cash piece goes, just my investments. You know, got the emergency fund, got some other things.
Well, let me see.
Try to stay diversified.
Let me see how long I dashed. Today is 2026. I done that in 2019. In total, 8 years.
Nice.
All right.
Very nice.
I've been collecting for 40 years, and I started stacking about a little over a year ago. Actually, I had a stack and realized that was a thing.
I'm about to start stacking again. I'll be a born again stacker after all that unstacking.
You're unstacked. So you're like what's it called? You're prestiging.
Yeah.
You level up and start over with nothing.
13.2 months. That about year to 1 month.
Yep.
Did you get a space stack?
I thought about it, but I don't have any brokerage app or nothing to buy the stock. I should probably change
I bought
that.
one chair just to say I'm in.
What's the price per share?
$165 right now. It opened at like 150 and then went to 174 and now it's back at like
Hi, Bait Miner.
What's up, Space Miner? Thanks for stopping by. Good to see you. Here you go,
Space Miner.
Someone said sound like a hamster cage.
Yes, there's like some kind of. It's all right. We're about to end it. We're at 6:29. The link is pinned. Everybody, let's head on over and shark attack WP. So gonna wrap it up. Thanks for stopping by, Thousand there. Cat Kong, Serpents, OC Omega, Chat, Amina, Blue Collar, Space Miner, Mustard, and Biaskets, Rural. Who else we got? Everybody, appreciate y'all. Take care. God bless. Protect your wealth, protect your peace. Nos vemos, and see you at Dubsy's house. Bye, y'all.
Kaliilo, you gonna be up tomorrow morning?
Yes, sir.
9 o'clock again?